focus then, and on to an ET Now exclusive. Sources say Railways is working on a new bulk cement transport policy that will rationalize freight, enable cement terminals on unused railway land, and shift major cargo movement from road to rail. This could prove beneficial for both cement as well as railway players. Samir Dikshit, my colleague, is now joining us with more details on this. Samir?
So in a move to attract more cement companies to get their cement transportation through the railway mode, the Railway Ministry is now going to overhaul the existing policy. The two new policies that the Railway Ministry is planning to come up with is the first is the rationalization of the freight rate for the bulk cement transportation through the tank containers, and the second policy it will be based on the bulk cement terminals. So on the unused railway land, private parties or the private investment is encouraged to build up these terminals, the bulk cement terminals, and this will be beneficial for the cement companies that they can utilize the space, they can build up the terminals for storing the bulk cement quantity, and that can be further used to transport the cement across the country. Now, most important part is that the freight rate rationalization for the transportation of the cement through the tank containers. Now, why Railway Ministry is looking to overhaul the existing policy? First is that on the shorter distance, if you see, the cement transportation has shifted from rail to road, which Railways is looking to get back to the railways, from road back to railways. That is point number one. Secondly, Railway understand that cement is one big segment which is a major earner for railways. The third biggest earning for railway comes through the transportation of cement, and if providing lucrative offers will help to increase the revenue basket, and for the same Railway Ministry is looking to come up with these two policies. Now, Railway has set an ambitious target of 20-30 million ton of freight movement by year 2030, and of which the cement movement for this FY they are targeting to increase by 1 million ton. So ambitious target, and for the same they are looking to provide policy support to the cement companies, and this will help to not just get the private investment but also to increase the existing revenue basket as well.
Absolutely, Samir, and thank you so much for joining us with the details of that story. But with that, it's the curtains done in this edition of Markets at Noon. Ashish and I will take a leave. Thank you so much for tuning in.